check up on it. Got it, flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it.
All right, crown braid it is.
Money got my whole family going backwards.
Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am April Sunny, and you guys asked for a crown braid tutorial, so I'm here to give it to you. I love a crown braid in the fall. The goal here is not perfection. The goal here is to have that done undone look. So grab your V-part wig, your clip-in extensions, or just a comb and a brush for your own hair, and let's do our hair and vibe out. I'm not going to be talking through this video, so let's go.
On it, got it, flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Come over and check up on it.
I believe crown braids are so beautiful in the fall because you can do the cutest little updo and it can be messy and just fall gorgeousness. I don't know about you, but I love a crown braid in the fall. It's just something about it. It's like done undone, and I love a good done undone look, okay? The goal here is not perfection. The goal here is to have that done undone look. Like, that's what we're here for. That's what the fall is about. You want those little pieces that's gonna like just sway across your face in the wind as the sun hits that beautiful brown skin. Girl, you can't tell me nothing, okay? If you have some hair jewelry already that you can put in your hair for your braided crown, then definitely use that. If you do not, a very cost-efficient way of doing that is going to the craft store and picking up some really cute buttons, and they have the best looking buttons in your craft store. Trust me, you can find it. I bought the bigger one for $3.99 and put pins in it and pinned it in my hair, girl. My braided crown will have its jewels. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and until the next time, be loved.
Shoes at hand and we're not discussing. Done saying, we just friends now. Got me feeling pinned down.
You